If you think fighter planes just rely on speed, think again. Dodging missiles is a high-tech game of cat and mouse. Here's how pilots outsmart the deadliest threats in the sky. First up, flares and chaff. These are like magic tricks in the air. When a heat-seeking missile locks on, the jet releases flares, super-hot burning decoys that confuse the missile's sensors, making it chase after them instead of the jet. For radar-guided missiles, the plane spits out chaff, tiny strips of metal that create fake radar signals, basically blinding the missile's radar. Next, there's the wild world of maneuvers. Pilots might pull off a brake turn, a rapid, sharp twist that makes it tough for the missile to keep up. Think of it as an aerial version of a sudden U-turn, but at Mach 2. But wait, fighter jets are smart too. They're packed with sensors that detect when a missile is launched, and even what type it is. Some advanced jets have jammers, electronic gadgets that scramble a missile's guidance system, or trick it into thinking the jet's somewhere else. And here's something you might not know. Some modern planes can even fire anti-missile missiles. Yep, a missile to take out the incoming missile before it gets close. So next time you see a fighter jet roaring overhead, remember it's not just about speed and firepower. It's about clever tech, split-second moves, and a whole lot of science keeping pilots safe in the world's most dangerous skies. How cool is that?